Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, Cellectar Biosciences has shared interim Phase 1b results from the CLOVER-2 trial in relapsed or refractory pediatric high-grade glioma. Among 14 children treated, those receiving at least 55 millicuries of iopofosine I-131 achieved a mean progression-free survival of 5.4 months and an overall survival of 8.6 months. 2 objective responses were reported with a favorable safety profile. These results suggest durable disease control and potential impact on prescriber and payer decisions once full data are available. Roche has announced FDA approval of Tecentriq combined with lurbinectedin as the first-line maintenance therapy for extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. The approval is based on the Phase 3 IM-Forte trial involving 483 patients who had received induction therapy with Tecentriq plus chemotherapy. The combination reduced the risk of disease progression or death by 46% and overall mortality by 27% compared with Tecentriq alone, extending median overall survival to 13.2 months versus 10.6 months. Nuvation Bio has enrolled its first patient in the global TRUST-4 Phase 3 trial evaluating IBTROZI, also known as Telectar, for adjuvant treatment of ROS1-positive early-stage non-small cell lung cancer. Around 180 patients will be randomized to IBTROZI or placebo following surgery. The study's primary endpoint is disease-free survival, with completion expected in 2033. Ensem Therapeutics has received FDA Fast Track designation for ETX636, an allosteric PI3K-alpha inhibitor degrader designed for PEG3CA mutant breast cancer. Developed using the company's Kinetic Ensemble platform, ETX636 aims to minimize wild-type PI3K toxicity. A Phase 1 Phase 2 clinical study NCT06993844 is ongoing in patients with PIK3C, a mutant solid tumors. Daiichi Sankyo has filed a supplemental new drug application in Japan for Enhertu in combination with pertuzumab as a first-line treatment for HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. The submission is supported by late-breaking data from the DESTINY-Breast09 Phase 3 trial, which showed a 44% reduction in progression risk compared with the THP regimen and a median progression-free survival exceeding 3 years. Henlius has announced positive Phase 3 results from the ASTROM-006 trial evaluating Hansichuang plus chemotherapy in perioperative gastric cancer. The study met its primary endpoint of event-free survival and achieved a more than 3-fold higher pathologic complete response rate compared with control with a favorable safety profile. These data support early new drug application submission in China. Adcendo APS has received FDA Fast Track designation for ADCED01, a first-in-class antibody-drug conjugate targeting UPARAP for the treatment of soft tissue sarcoma. The Phase 1 Phase 2 Accelerate-1 trial is ongoing across the United States and Europe. Preclinical results demonstrated strong anti-tumor activity and tolerability, supporting accelerated regulatory review. Werewolf Therapeutics has also secured FDA Fast Track designation for WTX-1234, its interleukin-2 indukin therapy in advanced melanoma. The designation is based on evidence of clinical activity in patients with melanoma previously treated with checkpoint inhibitors, as well as favorable safety from early Phase 1 Phase 1b studies. Stay ahead in oncology research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at